Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna show you how to diagnose a power steering air leak. So usually power steering leaks have the fluid coming out of a hose or a clamp or anything like that. So if the hoses are not on correctly, then it will leak power steering fluid out. Now in this case, the air is leaking into the system. The reason why I know is because when I open this while the car is turned on, it's filled with bubbles and the pump is whining. Now this is a brand new pump, so if your car sounds anything like this, that means that there is a power steering air leak into the system. Now I just did a pressure test with a radiator pressure test kit, and as you can see, I just cleaned it, but there's still residue from the power steering fluid. So in this case, I found out that the pump is leaking on this, under this bolt down here, and it's coming onto the alternator. So it might be a faulty pump. If not, you can also check the O-ring seal that you have in here, and then just make sure that your hoses are clamped on correctly and you don't have any air leaking into the system. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.